Galveston fishing trip. Ready to depart from Dubai to Houston. Let's see what we catch there. So fishing shop. Wow. Oh, such a huge shop, man. Never seen in my life. So let's have a look what we got today. Hey guys, morning Galveston, ready for fishing trip. So Arif, myself, for us. Let's see what we catch today. Okay. Galveston deep sea fishing. Mani bhai, Imran bhai, and the captain with assistant vice captain Faraz, Mr. Arif, champion. Derek, say hi, buddy. Hey.
Yeah, Facebook Live. Back up about the middle of the boat. Steps to the right for me. You step 2 steps to the right for me. I'm gonna need to be right here.
More than 2. Keep going. Keep going.
To the middle. Of the boat. To the cleat. Right there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Right there. Perfect.
That's what's killing.
See, you lived in Dubai your whole life?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Oh, don't tell me. Yeah, shark.
Kai. Oh, shark?
Yeah, pretty sure it's the same about you.
We got the shark? Oh my goodness.
Can't even take him out of the water, guys.
At least bring it, take a picture and put it back.
Yeah. No.
No? Is it big? हैं?
पानी नहीं निकाल सकते।
नहीं निकाल सकते?
नहीं।
इसकी वजह? लो भैया शार्क पकड़ लिए उन्होंने, फराज साहब ने। ओह माय गुडनेस, अच्छी खासी बड़ी है यार ये। Look at this.
Keep holding. No. Keep holding the back of that rod. If that shark decides to take off, you're gonna break that rod. So hold the rod at the back, please.
You cut the hook?
No. Okay भैया.
First fish.
Good job Ari bhai, good job. Wow, fish on man. शाबाश शाबाश. आज पता चलेंगे बाजू कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं.
Go down with your
Woo!
rod. Keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low.
Keep it little low. Keep it little
Down
low.
with your rod and keep it low. Right there.
Yeah. Oh wow, RedDrum. आराम से. Keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low. Very good. Good job Ari bhai. हाथ में लेके दो. हाथ में लो. हाथ में लो.
Hold, sir. Let me get it off the hook. You can get it in the
हाँ ऐसे दोनों हाथों से. Good job man. Hey buddy, what you got? It's a big drum.
They're both up front. Hold on.
Wow. Good job man. Wow. नहीं shark नहीं है. Now this time we got the big one, big RedDrum. Faraz, you've been catching a shark all day long, so this is your first one, red one. Go, come इस साइड पे आ जा, इस साइड पे आ जा. Don't let it go. Okay, finally we got a shot. There you go. Yeah. Well, let me see what you got.
What, the pliers? Should be familiar with it. Shit, that was good.
Fraz, let him do it.
No, man, he won't do it.
No, we need to grab it. Yeah, hold on.
देख के भाई. Wow, that's a good one. इधर कर ले भाई.
Sideways.
Yeah.
Hey, sideways.
Yeah, perfect. That's a good one.
You know, there's some fish holes there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go.
We're gonna rinse them all off, making it look nice and pretty.
Hey guys, catch up today. Got all RedDrum with Mr. Derek. So Derek, thank you very much for the lovely trip.
No problem. I appreciate y'all being understanding and allowing me to do it for you.
One small mackerel.
Oh, we got some more coming.
Ah, we got one more? Oh, wow. So,
Drum,
one
black drum,
more.
red drum, and mackerel.
One black drum, one
We're
mackerel.
gonna get the water hose and we're gonna wash it off.
Catch and clean. Then eat.
We didn't do half bad, guys.